everyone, Dan Rubino here at Windows Central, and this is the Samsung Galaxy Book S. It's here at IFA 2019 at Microsoft's booth, and we're going to give you a quick tour. Stay tuned. All right, so here we go, the Galaxy Book S. You've been following us for a while. You probably know a lot about this device. You're talking a 16:9 aspect ratio, full HD display, and it is a touchscreen, so that's pretty awesome. Now, being a full HD, usually not too impressive, but this is a Samsung display, so it looks really, really nice. You can see here the colors just really pop off. You also got a little web camera here at the top, and it's actually a surprisingly good web camera. I guess it's not that surprising. Samsung makes good lenses, but it is so tiny, and I'm actually impressed with how that looks. Coming down here to the bottom, of course, you get this keyboard, very shallow keyboard. It also rattles a little bit. I think this keyboard may be divisive for some people as it's quite shallow to type on. But then let's look at the size of this thing. It is so thin that it's almost understandable. They got to fit a battery into this thing after all, so perhaps we'll let that slide. Speaking of, you do get a USB Type-C here on the side, and turn to the other side, you get another USB Type-C. So just 2 ports as well as a headphone jack. So pretty basic there. No Thunderbolt 3, of course, because Qualcomm doesn't support that. Other than that, you get a really big trackpad here, precision drivers. Now, when it comes to performance, we'll have to do benchmarks on it, but this should be equivalent to an 8th generation Core i5. It's running the Snapdragon 8CX. In fact, this is the first device to have it. Performance should be very good on it, especially compared to the Snapdragon 850. You also get 8 gigabytes of RAM, which I know is a sticking point for a lot of people because they don't like that 4. 8 gigabytes is that sweet spot. But overall, the color is really nice on it. Excellent design. It's really remarkable to hold. Obviously, no fans either, being a Snapdragon product. Just really nice design. And you're probably wondering, can you open it one hand? You kind of can, but it's so light that it sort of slides around, but it's kind of there. Overall, though, really nice design. You also get a fingerprint reader built into the power button, so I should point that out there for a lot of people. It does have Windows Hello, which is pretty good. Overall, though, looks really nice from here. So there's a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Book S. It should go on sale in a couple weeks, and fingers crossed we'll get one to review. Leave me a comment below, though, and tell me what you think. Do you think Samsung nailed it here? Is this going to be something you want to buy? Otherwise, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.